Hi everyone, you're watching Explore to Shine with Anu.
Before proceeding to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. With no further delay, let's quickly dive into this.
Respected principals, as we have stepped into 2026, I want to extend my heartfelt wishes to you, your family and your faculties for a year filled with joy, peace, good health and success. In the spirit of new beginning, I am proud to introduce a powerful new tool designed specifically for our students taking OA exams. We have developed a dedicated quiz app to bridge the gap between daily learning and exam success. By installing this app on your PCs, we empower our faculty to assign daily or weekly quizzes effortlessly. This consistent practice will be key to mastering the curriculum. So, I invite you to adopt this tool in your institution. Let's give our students the technological edge they deserve. This one small upgrade to our routine will make a massive difference in our exam results. So now, I would like to introduce Mr. Shakti Raghavan, who will guide you step by step through installing the app and show you how to use it effectively.
Hi all, I'm here to explain how this quiz application is going to work. So once you downloaded the application, you can double click on it to launch. So once the application launches, it will open in the web browser. Here you can see which are the quizzes available to take up here. So how this quizzes automatically appear here is, when we go back to the folder where the application was initially downloaded, we can see 3 more new folders has been automatically created. For now, let's focus on this questions folder. So inside this questions folder, the quizzes will be saved in the JSON format. So whenever we want to add some new quizzes to this application, we can just copy this JSON files into this specific folder so that it will automatically appear here. Okay. So for example, if I want to copy Microsoft Word quiz, I can just copy this JSON file and save it here. So this JSON files will be available in my YouTube description, so you can download it from there and paste it in the questions folder inside this applications path. So if you paste it here, it will be automatically reflected in the web page. So if it is not appearing, just refresh the page, it will appear here. Okay, so how to take up the quiz? So when we take up the quiz, we can click on start quiz and it will take inputs from the user. So that is their name, last name and badge number. So I'll come back to the badge later, so what it is actually doing, but for now we'll just fill some random number like 201 and start the quiz. Okay, so the first one is multiple choice question. So for this, the right answer is Paris, but I'm going to select Berlin and click on submit. So if the answer is wrong, the card will turn red and the incorrect count on the top right corner will increase to 1. If we select the right answer and click on submit, it will turn green and go to next question automatically. So now in the top right corner you can see the wrong count is increased to 1. That means the previous question we have selected the incorrect answer. And here this is the multiple select question. So for this, the right answer is JavaScript and Python. So after selecting this, we can click on submit. It will automatically move to end. Okay, so there were total of 2 questions. One was correct and one was incorrect. So final score is 1/2 and the percentage is 50%. So this is how students will be able to take the quiz. They can go back to home and click on another quiz as well. So when they take another quiz, it will fetch the students details from here. So it will show students details. They can either click yes continue, or else if they want to change their name or badge number, they can click on this and change it. So for now I'm going to continue with same, and this is another quiz. So yeah, this is how the quiz application used to work in the student's point of view. So let's go for teacher's point of view. What are the things teachers can do? So if I clear this session, on the top right corner next to the student's name, if we click on clear, that specific student will be logged out. So after log out, you can see a new button appeared here, that is teacher login. So when we click on teacher login and fill in the username and password, we will be able to see all the quiz attempts which is taken so far. So for example, JSON format, this sample quiz has been taken once. There is one submission for this. If we click on view results, we will be able to see which student from which batch took this exam at which date and time, and their score will be available here. We can either delete this record or also we can view this record. So if we click on view, it will show us a detailed information of all the options and questions student has selected. So for example, for the first question, the wrong answer we selected, the student selected was Berlin, but the intended right answer is Paris. So these details will be able to see here. And also these three buttons are some filters. So if we click on all, it will show all the questions and answers. If we click on correct, it will just filter the correct answers which is answered by the student. And if we click on incorrect, it will just show the incorrect answers attempted by the student. So that's it about this result page. Okay, so if we go back to dashboard, you can see manage permissions. So what is manage permission? So this manage permission will be able to assign some extra functionality for the quiz. So for example, instead of taking up the test as test without seeing the answers, student will be able to take up this quiz for practice sessions. So during their practice sessions, they should be able to see the answers if they forgot or if they want to recap it. So that's the reason we have added this batch management. So for example, for the JSON format, if I enter the batch number as 100 and save the permissions, when student take up the quiz with a specific batch number, they will be able to see the answers also. So for example, I'm going to take this JSON format quiz. I'm filling in my details. Unlike previously, I'm going to enter the right batch number like 100, the one we entered from the teacher's dashboard. So if we enter this and click on start, they will be able to see a new button here that is called as view answer. So if they don't know what is the answer or if they get confused, they can click on this view answer and see the right answers here. So for this specific question, Python and JavaScript is the right answer. And if they have still doubt like how it is or what it is, they can click on this explain button. So once they click on explain button, it will open in Google and it will show us the result. So here it is. The right options are Python and JavaScript, and it will also give us the information why it is a right answer. Okay. And once we submit the answer, it will go to next question, and this explain button will disappear and this view answer button will again appear. So if they want, they can attempt it, or if they are doing this for their practice, they can click on this view answer button to view the answer again. So yeah, that's it about the teacher's view of this quiz application. We'll go back to the folder and see what else are present here. As we double clicked on this quiz application, these three files will be automatically generated. So the first file is for the quiz JSON files. So these files will be available in my YouTube description, so you can download these and place it here to take up the quiz. This flask session, this you can ignore, or you don't need to edit anything inside this folder, because this is going to handle sessions like students information and teachers information, those kind of things. We don't need to change anything inside this. Inside data folder, we can see two things. So one is called as permissions, another one called as results. If I go inside permissions, we can see to which JSON file what permission has been applied. So this is like saving the settings. So whatever we have done in the website, those things are saved inside this files. And results file as well. This will have different folders for different quizzes. So for example, the first quiz we have taken is JSON format. So inside this folder we can see batch number, student name, date and time, and their score. If I double click it, those information, that specific quiz details will be saved inside this. To keep it everything simple, you don't need to change anything inside these three folders. Only the questions folder you will be modifying depending on your quiz needs. So once the questions has been copied here, so for example I want to copy another thing, microservice, you can download this file from my YouTube video and place it inside this questions folder. So once you have placed it here and go and refresh this page, you will be able to see this question has been automatically fetched here. I mean, this quiz has been automatically appearing here. You can start quiz and take up these quizzes again. So that's it. If you have any other doubts or any other feedback for this application to improve further, we are open to accept feedback. You can tell us in YouTube comments or in private chat as well. Thank you all. Bye.